Hi, so in this video, we'll do about one-dimensional force analysis. So first, let me show you the result of this analysis, what it should look like first. Okay, starting mechanical, please wait. Okay, this is how the result should look like. Okay, so you have test result, something like this. So first, let's get started. Go to geometry, and then property, and then tick line body. You have to tick it. If it's untick, tick it. Okay, then we go to design modeler, because in this case space chem does not work. Now let's start drawing. I go to XY plane, you look at it, so it will be two-dimensional orthography. Modeling, no, sketching, go to line, let me navigate, go to line, draw a straight line. Now we have our line. What we want to do is to go to concept, create line from sketches, and then select our sketches, select base object apply. Now you go line, you generate. Now we have a line body. What we want to do is to add the cross section to our line body. To do that, concept, cross section, rectangular, and if we zoom in, we will see small rectangle which we can change it each dimensions like this. Okay, now line body. Now we can select rectangle 1 that we just created, and then just generate it. Now everything works correctly because there are green ticks. To ensure that, go to like another way to ensure that it works correctly, go to view, cross section, solids, line body, you want to zoom in. Okay, and you should see, okay, rectangular solid that we just made. This is correct for part 1. So now moving on to the second part. After we have done our geometry in the design modeler, we want to move on to model in ANSYS mechanical. Okay, starting mechanical. Okay. Wait for it to loading. To take some time. Okay, now we are in mechanical. So first thing you want to check is that, oh, not ready, it's not ready. Okay, first thing you want to check is check geometry, and then if we have our line body here, if you have something like this, you are correct. If not, then you are wrong. We can view the cross section. So basically what I mean is we can place this button to display with or without cross section. So if I place it, we have cross section. Now you don't have cross section. Okay, now the next step, we want to go static structural environment, because right here we will insert forces and support, something like that. So first step, I want to insert fixed support, which is necessary for ANSYS mechanical static structural, because if you don't have the fixed support, you cannot do the analysis. So go fixed support, select vertex, which is a point. I want to select here, I go to apply. Now we have fixed support. Next, you want to do line pressure, which has units of Newton per meter. I go to line pressure. I select this mode, which is H mode. So I press H, I press this, and I press apply geometry. And you can either use vector or component to define force, but I will use components because I believe that it's easier. Okay, I define like this. So so um so basically I have a force going x and y components, something like that. Okay, now we can place static structure. We can click on solve, and wait for it to solve. Now the solving is complete. You go to solution, toolbox, beam tool, and then click pass. We need to solve again. Now we have solved the analysis, and you can look at the result by yourself. And that is basically the end of the video. Thank you. Oh, and if you want to change the mesh size, you can change up to you. Generate again, and you just basically click run everything again. Thank you.